So now I am on Vector Studio. So now let's select the Artistic Text Tool, left click here, and then select Artistic Text Tool. And now left click, and now I'm going to type my letter D. So here it is. Control A to select it. I'm going to change the size here to 1100, press enter. And then I'm going to change it to bold. I'm going to use the Arial font. Now let's select the Move tool, and now I'm going to center it. So now I'm going to remove the fill. So I'm going to left click here on the font color and then left click here. So here it is. And now I'm going to add the stroke. So I'm just going to go right here, left click on the stroke. I'm going to left click here. So here it is. And now I'm just going to add the 1 pixel stroke, a 1 point stroke. So now let's go back to the color tab. And now Control J to duplicate this letter here, your layer. Now go down to the navigator here. I'm going to move the slider here to the right to zoom in. And now I'm going to uncheck the snapping. And now I'm going to move this layer here, duplicated layer, to the right. So hold Shift key down and then move it to the right. So move it until the two lines here cross. So here it is. So now if I zoom in, so here it is, and I'm just going to double click to change it back to 64. And now I'm going to select all the layers here, both of them. And now let's select the Shape Builder tool. Left click here, select Shape Builder. The action here is the plus here to create a new shape from selected areas. Drag method is freehand, cleanup is none, and I check the use style from first selected area. So now for example, if I try to select this one here and this one, as you can see it selected this one. So we just need to select this area. So I need to move this layer here to the right until the lines here cross. So let's select the Move tool. So I'm going to left click here, left click on this one here, it's this one. And now hold Shift key down and then move it to the right until it crosses or it touches the line. So I think I'm going to leave it here. And now let's select them both. And then let's select the Shape Builder tool. So now the settings here are just like before. The action is to create a new shape. So now I'm going to drag over this area and this area. And this one here, so here it is. I'm going to drag it a little bit to select this area. So here it is. And now I'm going to select this area here. So I'm just going to drag from here, here, and then here. So here it is. And now let's select the Move tool. And now I'm going to remove some of the shapes here. So for this one here, it's not visible because it doesn't have stroke. So I'm just going to click on the stroke here. Left click here. So now it will add the 1 point stroke. So here it is. Now let's go back to the color here. So I'm just going to remove this part here. We don't need it. Click on this icon here. And then remove this part here. This one here. So now we only have these two layers here. So now I'm going to select this one here, this layer. Let's add the gradient. So let's select the Fill tool. The context is fill. I'm going to change the type here to linear. So now I'm going to left click here on this point here. I'm going to change the color to black. And then I'm going to left click on this point. And then for this one, I'm going to change it, for example, to this blue. Then I'm just going to drag a little bit here like this. So now I want to copy this same gradient here to this shape here. So now I'm going to select the Move tool. Make sure to select the gradient shape here. Control C to copy. And now I'm going to select this shape here, the one that doesn't have a fill. Select it. And then go to Edit, Paste, and then select Paste Style. It will paste the styles here. So for example, in our design here, it will paste the gradient. So left click. So here it is. Now I'm just going to reverse the gradient, select it, select the shape, select the Fill tool. So here it is the same. I'm just going to click on this icon here to reverse it. So now I'm going to move this one here like this, and now let's select the Move tool. And now this design here have a 1 point stroke. I'm going to select it all. I'm going to select everything. I'm going to group the shapes here. So click on Group. And now I'm going to left click here. So now if you want to increase the stroke, I'm going to remove the stroke. And then I'm going to add a 1 point contour. So left click here on the Contour tool. And then I'm going to change the radius here to 1. Double click and then type 1 to fill the small gaps here, and then press enter. Make sure to change the radius to 1 and then press enter. So here it is, they are filled.